Well, hello, it's me without my mask on. I'm alone in the room, that's why it's safe. Some of you have never seen my face. Not that it's like amazing, but I just thought, you know what? I'm gonna talk to you just like a normal human for a while. So we are working on our AJavier non-objective drawing. Remember, we're using black paper. We have to include 3 geometric shapes, 3 organic shapes, and then extras, whatever we want. And we're working on our composition. And that word position means where we put everything. So that's a little bit of what I'm talking about with you in this video. But specifically, I'm gonna talk about colors, because by the time we get to this video, you've already pretty much finished your drawing. And now I wanna talk to you about color. So the crayons that we're using are called construction paper crayons. By the time you get them, they might be sharp, they might not, you never know. Plus, once they're used, they don't remain sharp, but we also love them. So these construction paper crayons are a little different than normal crayons. Number one, in how they look. So you're gonna notice they all have a black wrapper, no matter what color they are. So you have to actually pay attention to the color of the crayon to know what you're doing. And the other thing is they show up really nicely on black paper. Regular crayons don't. That waxiness, it doesn't really show up vibrant and bright on a dark colored construction paper, but these do. Oh, it actually looks better on the film than it does in real life. All right, now keep in mind our inspiration is right behind me. There's an AJavier painting, and as you're looking at his color, notice how he spreads it out. So yeah, you might notice like, oh, there's a whole bunch of pink right here. But if you follow those lines, there's pink all the way to here, to here, to here. It spreads out all the way over to here. You can't see that because there's a giant glare, but it's there. And that's kind of something you need to work on with your own art, is how to make sure that you are what's called balancing your colors. So when you first start, you kind of just have fun. Just experimenting with crayons, which is cool. I've done some things where I've even blended. You can see where I put like white with the pink or white with the blue. You can see some areas where I just used them to draw patterns and lines. You can see some parts where I like overlapped, put the reddish pink on top of the purple. Right here, I mixed. That orange was created kind of up here also with the red and the light orange, which made a different color. You'll see how I'm leaving the black paper exposed. That's how I'm getting some of these, what looks like a black outline. I didn't use a black marker. I just purposely stopped before the 2 shapes touch each other, left a little gap in between them, and that's how I got that black line. So as I'm finishing or getting close to finishing, now I need to start paying attention. So pick a color, any color. I'm gonna pick white because I was just doing this. So when I first started with the white, I was only using it to play around and blend colors. And then I just realized, you know what? I actually really like the white on the black. I think it looks extra vibrant. So here's a space of white at the top. Here's a space of white on the side. Here's a space on the bottom. Here's another on the other side. That's balanced. So it's spread out. It's not just one area or one half that has it. It's little bits everywhere. Now, I kind of feel like I could probably squeeze some more up here and maybe a little bit more down here. Ooh, I forgot about that. The same would go for, pick a color, any color. Let's go with this red. So definitely have, I don't know what that is. It's like a hand shape. It's organic for sure. Is it a leaf? I don't know. So there's the red here. There's the red here. There's the area here where I was playing with the red and the white. Same thing with the purple. Little bit in here. So if I was to say, I need some more red, oh, there's the bell. I need some more red, I'm gonna say down here in this corner. Now I did put it in that flower, I'll zoom in there, but I think I need more. So I probably would purposefully put some red over here, probably purposely put some red over here. And then I feel like it's spread out enough. Now, let's do this one silently in your brain. Pick a color, any color. Raise your hand when you picked a color. Is that color at the top? Raise your hand. Is that color at the bottom? Raise your hand. Is that color on the left? Is that color on the right? Is that color in the middle? If you answered no to any of these questions, I need to continue coloring. So I was looking at yellow. I definitely need more yellow here, definitely on the edges over here, but really for sure on this half. In fact, once I get to this line, there is no yellow this whole section. So I need more yellow. So that is how we're gonna use construction paper crayons to balance our colors to create a similar, not exact, but you can tell I was inspired by him. It's an AJavier painting, but it's really a drawing. All right, enjoy balancing your color today.